Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys password security setting. And today video title is guys how to turn off Redmi mobile lock screen password. Friends, you want to off Redmi mobile lock screen password. So friends, now let's see how to off Redmi mobile lock screen password, how to remove Redmi mobile lock screen password one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. First of all, unlock your phone. Friends, I will enter my password. After enter password, unlock your phone. Swipe here, open your device phone setting. After turning guys Redmi mobile phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, scroll down here and open your phone password and security setting. After turning my phone password and security setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, open your phone lock screen password setting. Confirm your password. Again, enter your lock screen password. Next option, click here. You want to use new password, you want to use pattern and pin password on your lock screen. So friends, you can select your pin lock password, you can select your pattern password. After 5 seconds, you can set password, you can change your Redmi mobile lock screen password. Got it option, click here. You can draw pattern for lock screen and you can use Redmi mobile pin lock password. And if you click here turn off screen lock, so friends, you can check one notification. After turn off your lock screen password, you have fingerprint lock and you have your face lock data. Face lock setting I have, fingerprint lock is already off. So friends, if you turn off your lock screen password, face lock will delete automatic. Wait and watch. Enter your password. Next, turn off screen lock. Okay, lock screen password remove. Face lock will also remove. Again, if you click here next option, set lock screen before recording your face data, before adding your face data. If you click a fingerprint lock, set screen lock before adding your fingerprint lock. Off your screen, you can unlock your Redmi mobile without password. Swipe here, phone will unlock without fingerprint, without face lock, without any password. Again, you want to use, open your phone password and security settings, select your screen lock password type. You can start your lock screen password. You can use pattern password, pin password, and name password lock you can use. Bye.